Good morning, everybody. I'm going to be getting started early on a little bit of laundry. I've already done laundry once this week, so I just have a very small load of colors and I have a very small load of whites. So we have this washing machine that I absolutely love this. You're able to do little tiny loads in a very tiny lower washing machine. So it's perfect for days like today where I have very darks and very lights. So I'm going to throw these both in, and then we're going to today, before Jules gets home from exercising, I want to get his t-shirt drawer reorganized because he kind of wears the same thing over and over. He wears what's on top. So I'm going to reorganize so that he'll be able to just look in and pick up things. Good morning. He'll just be able to pick up things very easily out of his drawer and have a variety of t-shirts, not just what's on top. So hang on, we'll get to that. I forgot to tell you, into my colored loads, I throw my dish towels that I dry dishes and my hands with for the week. I throw them into the last load of the week, which would be this one, so that they're fresh and ready to go for the rest of the week. I get this done on Fridays because our Sabbath is on Saturday. So tonight at sundown, I'm off work. And then we've got this bottom one ready to go. So we'll just get that started. Normal. And start. And just slide it in. Very simple. There it goes. And it'll start timing down and washing. Then we'll get this one going. And I'll just put that on normal and go. All right, so that'll start weighing and timing. And then I'll have both of these done at this about the same time. And then I'll dry them at the same time, so that doesn't cause me any more dry time than just one load would. So away we go. Hey, so today I've got my work shoes on. I am going to be running around the house, and you've heard remember the movie Freaky Friday? So this is going to be Fruitful Friday. Anyway, yeah, that doesn't relate. Anyway, here's what I want to do. So if you look into Jules' drawer, this drawer doesn't come out all the way. You know, they don't want to look at that drawer. But anyway, this drawer doesn't come out real far. So what we want to do is I'm going to take out all these shirts. Take out all the shirts, find out what he wants to wear most often, which would be what fits the best. And then I saw this on YouTube. And you just turn the shirt sideways, maybe this direction, and then you can just pull it out like a file. And when I go back in, I just make a space for it, stick it back in. And if he wants to wear all the shirts, then I would just rotate. Whenever I bring a shirt back, then I would stick it in the back and pull one from the back to the front. So anyway, possibilities are endless. It's a simple fix to the problem of wearing the same shirts over and over and over, because as you can see, and he's taller than me, so let's put him about this height. Because I'm short, I can see in the back, but he can't. So he sees this, just this top level, and he doesn't see what's back in the back. So this will give him an opportunity to see everything. So if you were going to do this too, you could put all your tops or pajamas. That's a good thing for your pajama drawer. Here's what I'm trying to get to. I'm trying to get to every like item in the same drawer. Have all tops in the same drawer, have all pants in the same drawer, have swimsuits in the same drawer because I have a swimsuit drawer. And then, you know, lingerie in the same drawer. And so anyway, have everything like in the same drawer so I know which drawer I'm going to grab something from. So it's going to just make everything a lot easier. So this is my project today. It's a super simple and quick one because remember I already have some laundry going and I dusted this room while talking to one of my let's see, I would say mentors. I have a mentor that I talk to, and it's my little sister. But she's wise. She's wise and brilliant, beyond all that I can dream or hope to be. So I talk a lot to her. The other thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to run the vacuum over the floors today and get some yard work done. So that's my Friday, and cook roast for tonight and tomorrow, so I don't have to cook tomorrow. So everything will be ready, planned, and I know this is kind of a short video, but I just wanted to make it to show you these little projects that don't take a lot of time that can bring so much. I love that. Remember the airy feeling. You need the airy feeling, and whether it's in a drawer, in a cabinet, in a room, just keep working towards it. You know, everything is not like a session of cleaning a whole closet, but this makes a lot of difference. So he's also got a drawer for pants, a drawer for socks, and underwear, and he has shorts, like sports shorts. So we could do that method with all of these, and I'm going to see if I can get them all done today. But anyway, so like, subscribe. A lot of you that do watch are not subscribed, and please give me some love. I feel like I'm begging, but I'm begging. Please subscribe, like, leave a comment, leave a thumbs up. I like that. And have a great weekend. Have a wonderful Sabbath, Shabbat, whether you have it on Saturday, have it on Sunday. Make one of those days a day that you don't work, that you just rest and enjoy. So, love you. Have a wonderful, wonderful weekend, and I'll see you in a few days. Bye. Shabbat Shalom. Well, I had to jump back on with you. I am so impressed with this. Look at this. This has all the shirts that were stacked, normally horizontally. And now this is all full. But guess what? The back of the drawer is empty. So the back half is empty. So the whole drawer fills up one row. So yay, you get more in a drawer this way. So talk about a great hack. This is it. And I hope you give it a try. And it really works well with T-shirts because you can fold them and they all, make a nice stack. So other things, I don't know if it would work because I haven't tried it yet, but I will. Anyway, so thanks, like, subscribe, and have a great Shabbat.